Hello class, good morning. Today I will teach you 16th chapter of class 7th, active and passive voice. Class active means energetic and passive means lazy, dull. Both are opposite words. Students, a sentence can be written in two ways. One is active voice and second is passive voice. Mostly we write the sentences in active voice. Like I teach you English. So here I will give examples. It is I write a letter. This is simple present tense. So I is subject, write is verb, a letter is object. It means in passive voice object is necessary. If object is not given, then passive voice cannot be made. And here I subject, write verb, a letter is object. This is simple present tense. First of all, you have to find out object in a sentence. I write what? Answer, I write a letter. So we have to make passive voice. In passive voice, object is written first, a letter is, because in simple present tense is MR is used. Then third form later is singular, so is. Third form of write written, and by is compulsory also in passive voice. By, in every sentence by will be used. And I become me. A letter is written by me. So both have same meaning. And here I is active. That is why this sentence is given in active voice. And a letter is passive. Second, he writes a letter. Here subject is he, writes verb. He writes what? Answer, a letter. So here a letter is same thing. A letter is written by him. They write letters. They write what? Letters. Then letters plural. So letters are written by them. They become them. In passive voice, they become them. He become him. Do children love animals? This is interrogative sentence. In interrogative, if do does come in the beginning, then in passive voice, do does become is MR. First of all, find out object. Do children love what? Do children love whom? बच्चे किससे प्रेम करते हैं? एनिमल्स को. एनिमल्स इज व्हाट? एनिमल्स इज ऑब्जेक्ट. Animals is plural, so are animals. Then third form loved, love, loved. Then by, and children, children. You do not eat bread. Here in negative sentence, you do not eat what? Answer, you do not eat bread. And bread is singular. Bread is. Do does become what? Is MR. And not. Third form of eat, eaten. By you. The peon rings the bell. The peon rings what? Answer, the bell. The bell. Here affirmative. Then bell is, not are. Then third form of ring, rung. And what is left? Peon. By the peon. The grocer sells sugar. The grocer sells what? Answer, sugar. Sugar is. Because sugar is singular, so is. And then third form of sell, sold by the grocer. So here class I become me, he become him, and they become them. But children, you, peon, no changing. Here present continuous tense. We can read the example. He is reading a book. This is present continuous tense. He is reading what? A book. So here a book is object. A book, then is MR. After a book, you have to put is MR. Then in present continuous tense, being is used. Being. In every sentence, being will be used. Then third form of the verb. Third form of reading, read, then by. He become him. She is beating me. She is beating. अगर पर book is what? Book is a thing and me is indirect object. If indirect object given, then what we change? She is beating whom? She is beating me. Then me become I. And with I we use I am, not I is. I am. Then in rule being. In every sentence being will be used. Third comma beaten, beating, beaten by her. She become her. Now they are reading books. They are reading what? Answer, they are reading books. Then books is what? Books is object. Books are, because books is plural, so books are. Then being. Then third form of the verb. Reading, read. By, they become them. Is she beating me? So this is interrogative. If is mr is coming at the beginning, then in passive voice also is mr will be used at the beginning of the sentence. So here first of all object. Is she beating whom? Is she beating me? Me is object. Me become I. But before I you have to put is mr. Am I? Then being. Then third form beaten. Then by. And she become her. You are buying books. You are buying what? Answer books. Books are plural. Books are. Then being. Then third comma by bought. Then by. And you no change. By you. The grocer is not selling fruits. The grocer is not selling what? Answer fruits. Fruits is what? Fruits is object. Fruits are. It is plural. So fruits are not. Then being. In third form of sell, sold. Then by the grocer. Now next one class. This is present perfect tense. He has played a match. So his subject has helping verb and played is main verb. And match is what? Object. He has played what? Answer, he has played a match. Match is object. A match. Has become, has and have become, has been or have been. A match has been, not have been, because match is singular. A match has been. Then third form, played. Then by. He become him. They have played a match. They is plural. They have. They have played what? They have played a match. A match is object. A match has. Because match is singular. So has been. Then played. Then by them. Because they become them. Had she sung a song? This is interrogative sentence. Has have become passive has have. First of all, what is object? Has she sung a what? Has she sung what? Answer, a song. A song is singular, so has will come first. Has a song, then been, then third form of sing, sung, then by, then her. She become her. Class, you read the examples again and try to understand it and ask me if you have doubt. Hello class, good morning. Now I am going to continue the topic active and passive voice. Yesterday I taught you present perfect tense and today I will teach you past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Here formation of passive voice. Here the subject, helping verb, was and verb, then third form of the verb, then by, then object. What was the sentence? He called me. He is subject, called is second form of the verb, then object. So here first of all find out object. He called whom? He called me. Then me is object. In passive voice, me become I. And I was. Was our, so I we use was with I. Then third form of the verb called. Called. Then by and then he become him. They did not run a race. They did not run what? Answer, a race. A race is singular, so a race was not. Not is given, so not. Third form of run is run. Then by, they become them. Did the police catch the thief? This is interrogative sentence. If did is coming at the beginning of the sentence, then was were will come at the beginning. First of all, what is object? Did the police catch whom? Answer, the police catch the thief. The thief is object and thief is singular, so was the thief, not were the thief. In third form, caught of catch. Third form of catch is caught. Then by the police. The police by the police. Why did he not call you? So here why is double interrogative. So why no change. Question word is not changed, so same. Then helping verb was verb. Here object is what? You. Why did he not call whom? You. You is plural, so why were you? Then not. Then third form called. Third form of call called by him because he become him. Kapil stole my book. Kapil stole what? Answer, my book. My book is singular. My book was. Then third form of stole, stolen. Then by Kapil. Kapil, no changing. Past continuous tense. Formation of the passive voice. Subject, then helping verb was verb, then being, then third form of the verb, then by, then object. Class. He was teaching me. This is active voice. And was teaching shows past continuous tense. He was teaching whom? He was teaching me. Me become I. I was. And then being. Being. Then third form of teach, taught. Then by, he become him. We were teaching him. We were teaching them. So we were teaching whom? We were teaching them. Them become they. They were, not they was. They were being. Then third form, taught. Then by us, because we become us. Were they playing a match? Were they playing what? Answer, a match. This is interrogative sentence. If was were is coming at the beginning, then in passive voice also was were will come at the beginning of the sentence. So was a match because match is object and singular. So was a match, then being, then third form played, then by them. They become them. I was not posting a letter. I was not posting what? Answer, a letter. A letter was not. Because not is given, so was not. Letter is singular, so was not. Then being rule is given being. Then third form posted, post, third form of post posted by me. She was not singing songs. She was not singing what? Songs. Songs is object. Songs plural, so songs were not. Then being, then third form of sing, sung by her. She become her. Past perfect tense. And formation of subject, then had, then been, then third form of the verb, then by, then object. Sentence. The teacher had taught the class. Had taught shows that past perfect tense. What is object? The teacher had taught whom? Answer, the class. The class had been. In passive voice, had been. Had been third form, taught. Taught by the teacher. Teacher no changing. By the teacher. I had finished my work. I had finished those past perfect tense. I had finished what? My work. Object, my work. Then had been as rule in the given. Had been. Then third form, finished. Finished. Then by, I become me. Had he not, had he done his work? This is interrogative sentence. If had is coming at the beginning, then in passive voice also had will come at the beginning of the sentence. Had, and object is had eaten what? His work. His work. Had his work then been, in third form done, then by him. He become him. She had not locked the house. She had not locked what? Answer, the house. The house had not been. In negative, had not been. Then third form locked, then by her. She become her. The boys had eaten all the cakes before the party began. The boys had eaten what? All the cakes. So all the cake is object. All the cakes had been eaten by the boys. What is left? Before the party began. Before the party began, no changing. Class, good morning. Now I am going to continue the topic active voice and passive voice. Yesterday I taught you future perfect tense, and today I will teach you future indefinite tense. This is future indefinite tense or simple future tense. Rule: subject, then will be or shall be, then third form of the verb, then by, and then object. I shall play a match. In this sentence, what is object? I shall play what? Answer, I shall play a match. A match is object. Then in passive voice, object is put first. A match, then will be or shall be, then will be. Then third form of the verb, a play, played. By me, I become my. They will hurt you. Here, you is pronoun. So we will put a question whom. They will hurt whom. Answer, they will hurt you. You is object. Then you will be. And third form of hurt is hurt by them. Will you beat him? This is interrogative sentence. Here, if will or shall comes in the beginning, then in passive voice also will and shall, will or shall comes in the beginning. First of all, find out object. Will you beat whom? Answer, will you beat him? Him is object. So him become he, and will become at the first of the sentence. Will he be? Then third form of beat, beaten by you. You become you. The cat will not kill the rat. What is object? The cat will not kill whom? Answer, the rat. The rat is object. The rat will not be. In negative, will not be or shall not be. Then third form of the verb, kill, killed by the cat. Will the postman deliver the letters? This is interrogative sentence. So will or shall will come at the beginning of the sentence. Will the postman deliver what? Letters. Will the letters be? In third form of deliver, delivered by the postman. Class, be is compulsory in simple future tense. After be, third form is used. Future perfect tense. Passive, rule of passive voice: subject, will or shall, then have been, then third form of the verb, then by, then object. Sentence: Sachin will have helped me. So here Sachin will have helped whom? Answer, me. Me become I in passive voice. I के साथ shall. I shall have been. Third form of helped, help. This is third form, so no changing. Helped by Sachin. Shall I have written a letter? This is interrogative sentence. If will or shall comes in the beginning, then in passive voice also will shall come in the beginning. What is object? Shall I have written what? Answer, a letter. So will a letter, not shall a letter. Will a letter have been. The third form, written by me. I become me. You will not have helped me. Here object is me and me become I. Then we use shall. I shall not. The negative shall not, will not. Then have been. Then helped by you. You no change. Shall we have taught you? Here object is what? Shall I taught whom? You. And with you we use will. So will you. This is interrogative. So here will or shall comes in the beginning. The passive voice also will or shall comes in the beginning. Will you have been. The third form taught by us. We become us. Here with verb with two objects. So class, you can see here you find two objects. Mr. Bipin wrote me a letter. Here Mr. Bipin wrote whom? Me. This is object and Mr. Bipin wrote what? A letter. Two objects are given. If two objects are given, then we can make this sentence in two ways. First object is me and me become I. I was. This is past, simple past tense and simple past tense. Second form is used. So me become I was. Third form I wrote written. And second object letter by Mr. Vipin. Another way, this is object also a letter. A letter was written to me by Mr. Vipin. Both are correct. Here class, some examples of direct object when the verb has two objects. Example, she has lent him a book. She subject has helping verb, lent is main verb, and him is what? Him is indirect object, and a book is direct object. So class, this sentence can be made by two ways, by using him and by using a book. So first, here him become he, and he has been. Has become has been or have been. So has been. Then third form lent, and second direct object. Then by her, she become her. I have often given him 10 rupees. Here I have often given 10 rupees to him. Him become he. So have become has been or have been. So he has been given. Second and direct object 10 rupees, 10 rupees. By me. I become my. He has offered her a gift. He has offered a gift to whom? Answer her. Her becomes she. And class, this is was is wrong. Has been. Here you cut it and write down has been. She has been offered a second object, a gift by him. She has lent him a book. Now using direct object. She has lent him what? A book. A book is what? Direct object. A book has been lent to him by her. Him is what? Him is indirect object. I have given him 10 rupees. Now here 10 rupees is direct object. 10 rupees have been, not has been. Given to him by me. By me. I become me. She has offered her gift. A gift is also object. A gift has been offered to her by him. Now class, you watch the video again and make sentence on each tense. Hello class, good morning. Now I am going to continue the topic active voice and passive voice. Today I will teach you imperative sentence. Imperative sentence start with first form of the verb. Open the door, respect your elders. So here open is verb and respect is verb. To make passive voice, first we use let. then we use object, then we use be, then we use third form of the verb. So here open what? Answer the door. So first we use let, then object the door, then be, then third form of open, opened. Respect your elders. Respect to whom? Answer your parents, your elders. So first let, then your elders, then be, then third form of respect, respected. Do not tell a lie. This is imperative negative. Imperative negative, first we use let, do not. And do not tell what? A lie. So here lie is object. First let, then object a lie. And class, this is a wrong sentence. First not, then be. Let a lie not be told by you. Here you have to correct in your book. Let a lie not be told by you. By you is not necessary. Post this letter. Post what? This letter. Let this letter. This letter is your object. Then be, then third form of post, posted. Here, here some when and intransitive verb with a preposition used as a transitive verb. Then in such cases the preposition is not deleted but it is used with by. Here I will give examples. Here we read the example. He agreed with me. So here agreed is verb and with is preposition. He agreed with whom? Answer me. Me become I. And this is past, simple past tense. So I was. Then third form of agreed, agreed. And then preposition with. And then we use by. Him. He become him. By him. And with is not removed. He laughed at me. He laughed at whom? Answer me. Then this is also simple past tense. Me become I was. Then third form laughed and preposition at. Then by, then subject become object, him, by him. I acted upon his method. I acted upon what? His method. His methods were acted upon. Here his methods is plural, so we use were, not was. His methods were acted upon. Upon is what? Upon is preposition. Then by me. Then we should help the poor. We should help whom? Answer the poor. The poor should be. After should we use be. Be helped by us. Here class, like example of some others, I will give. Whenever can is given, then can write become can be written, may write become may be write, and must write become must be read. As a should write become should be written. Class, some other important examples. It means you have to understand. He has cut a tree. So here he has cut what? Answer a tree. This is present perfect tense. A tree has been, then have been. Then a tree singular, so has been. Then third form of cut, cut by him. He become him, by him. She will forgive me. She will forgive whom? Answer me. Me become I. I with I we use shall. I shall be. And third form of forgive, forgiven by her. She become her. They elected him king. Here they, here object is they elected The king whom, answer he, him. Him become he. He was elected king by them. If you can make by using king, then will be answer will be wrong. Correct object is him, not king. He saw a lovely bird. He saw what? Answer a lovely bird. A lovely bird was, because simple past tense, was seen by him. Who called them brave? Who called brave? Whom? So here object is them. Who become by whom? By whom were. Object is they. Who called brave whom? Answer them. Them become they. And who become by whom? By whom were they called brave? Brave is not object. Whom did you laugh at? Class, whenever whom comes, then whom become who. And object is who was laughed at by you. Here subject is not given. Whom did you, here whom become who was laughed at by you. So class, in this sentence you have to understand properly. He struck me. He struck whom? I. Me become I was struck by him. The farmer is cutting the crops. The crops are being cut by the farmer. Why did you abuse her? Why was she abused by you? Here same examples are given, like why did you they must do their work. They must do what? Their work. Their work must be done by them.